Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's the awesome looking Torture. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a pretty cool looking character with the assault rifle. So we're gonna start out with the helmet area first. We're gonna draw one line across. So this is gonna be the bottom of the helmet. Okay, and then from this line here, just bracket up. And then now we'll go up and finish up the top of the helmet. Just kind of slant inwards. And then we're going to close this off, but just round it out on the corners. It's a little bit flatter on the top. Alright, so after this, we're going to draw in the mask and the snout area right here first. So just come down right in the center. Just draw one curve like this first. I know it's a little bit tricky because we're just kind of floating in the air. And then on the side here, come straight down on both sides, and then from here, these 2 points, we'll just draw one full circle, and then on the inside we'll add some detail, another circle inside, and that's gonna give us the whole mouth and the mask area. Alright, so from here we're gonna draw in the shape of the head first, and then we'll draw in the eyes. So we're going to draw one big circle coming all the way down here. So an easier way to draw it sometimes is just to draw a bracket on both sides first. Okay, so it's a little bit wider than the helmet. And then we'll continue down. Let's finish up the circle right underneath the the little mask. Alright, so now that we have the shape, we're gonna draw in the eyes. So the eyes are a little bit different. We're gonna see them kind of as slant. So just draw like an egg shape, slanting this way. Okay, so it's an egg shape going this way. And now for this side, we're gonna slant it this way. Okay, and then we're gonna add in one extra line inside to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. So from the corners here, top and bottom, let's just draw in one curve like this. It's like a little slice. Okay, so here's the top and bottom. Alright, so it's a little bit different from the other piggy eyes. Okay, so now let's draw in the body, and the body is a lot easier than the head. So let's come down and draw in kind of the shoulder and the armpit area. Let's draw two lines down first. And then we're gonna pinch it in. So this is gonna be very similar to the soldier body. One line across, and then one section on the bottom. And then for the two straps, just right in the center here, just draw two lines first. And then now just draw one more line on the outside. I know it's a lot of lines, so let me shade this in real quick so we can see this better. Okay, and also on the bottom, I just finished this. Nice and easy to do with a Sharpie. Alright, so from here, let's just go ahead and go down and draw in his legs. So right in the middle right here, come down, draw one little line. And then from here, I give him a little bit of a pose with his legs a little bit wider apart. So we'll start on the inside first, we'll slant down. And then whatever slants you have here, come out to the side and follow the same slant. And then close it off with a horizontal line. Okay, and then for his foot, this side we can come straight down on the inside, and then this side just a little bit of a bump, and then close it off. Little bump and then horizontal line. And then right here, right around the knee area, just one line across. Alright, so that's the legs, and then now let's come on and draw in his arms, and we're gonna draw in this one first because this one's gonna be holding his rifle. So here's the armpit. Go up to the shoulder, just one curve. And then for the lower part of the arm, just kind of like a little bracket, very long. And then close it off because he's got those gloves. So we'll come down just a little bit, and that's gonna give us the wrist right here. And then for his thumb, just come down and hook. Here's the back of the fist. And then for his other fingers, we just kind of tuck it in, just go back up. Okay, so let's draw on the other one. So again, here's the armpit. Come back up to the shoulder, curve down, and then it's gonna be pretty much the same as this. So it's just one long bracket, and then close it off. And again, we're gonna come down slightly. Okay, and then now for the hand, I'm gonna draw one curve like this coming down, and then just hook it back up. So that's gonna be his thumb. And then on the inside here, just draw a little curve coming out, and then just hook it back into the thumb. So it's gonna be gripping the rifle. And then if there's any space in here, you can just close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in the rifle. So it's gonna be slanting this way. So right on top of the hand right here, I'm just gonna draw a rectangle first. Okay, we're gonna keep it simple here. The little trigger, we're just gonna draw one little curve. And then for the magazine right here, just continue with this slant. Just draw a long rectangle. Okay, and then let's continue on to the tip. We're gonna taper this in, close it off. Okay, another rectangle. And right here, we'll just keep it simple. I'm just gonna taper inwards and then just close it. And then a little bit more detail right here. Looks like it's got some, I'm not sure what this is. I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle right underneath and then draw another line going out. And then just connect that. Okay, and then in here, let's just divide that up. And then now for the back right here, let's draw a little rectangle. And then right here, we'll just draw another one going this way. Alright, so that is it for this torture. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.